I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Developer options, USB debugging, and the emulator tool are ready. Connect the device or prepare the desktop emulator now. Opening the app is your first action. Once done, load the coordinate pair or GPX file so the emulator has a target. Make sure drivers are installed and the device is recognized. This avoids wasted time later. You'll see device status and connection logs, which tell you if the system is ready to inject location data. You now configure the emulator. Choose the device, pick GPS versus network provider, and enter the target coordinates or load a route. Next, set the update rate and any movement speed so the location behaves realistically. Lower rates reduce battery impact, while higher rates simulate motion. Once configured, start injecting location and observe the receiving app. Monitor logs for timestamp and accuracy values. If the app ignores the mock location, confirm permissions and provider priority to resolve conflicts. You finish by stopping the injection and restoring normal location settings. This prevents lingering mock data. Then confirm the target app reads the new coordinates and check reported accuracy in meters and timestamps for freshness. If something goes wrong, first re-enable mock locations or the emulator permission, then restart the app or device. Drivers and location services are common culprits. Finally, try a simple route at slow speed to validate behavior before running complex simulations. This isolates configuration errors from route issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.